Well, so here so far is the Red Guardian shield. I've taken it apart, I've put it back together, and then I took it apart again because I had to do some serious sanding. And I realized having all the bolts in place made it difficult. As you can see, we're at 220 on the grit. Everything's looking real nice. I'm taking my time. I want the metal to have good quality to it. Everything's real good. I don't know what I'm saying. We're almost there. Now we gotta hit it again with another series of grits on the paper until I get to 1500 grit. Get a somewhat polished look to it. Then I will hit this with the red. Do the edge of this in red. I have to do a cut here to clean this up to create the squaring and the little box effect right here. And I have the edge and the straps, which I still have to get the leather belt. I haven't got that yet. But the continuing progress. The Red Guardian is close. Alright, Captain Ron America says hey to everyone out there. Make sure you check out my channel, like and subscribe. Appreciate the comments. As we continue on this build of the shields of the Captain.